Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go from these ugly leaking lights on the Audi 100. And now we got this brand new, all clear marker lights, Euro style, and I think it looks really cool. First, you got to start with taking off the grill. It's pretty simple actually. Just unscrew it. Alright, next, take the shroud off. This just unscrews, and then just a couple bolts, or a couple screws right here. Alright, it should just pop off, just like it did right there. Then I have access to the back of the headlights. Next, these two bolts come off, and the headlight should actually just slide out. Alright, these are just an 8mm, and let's screw it. This is a pretty simple install, or removal I should say. Now, to get to the bottom bolts, you kind of just pull this tab in the back, and it just pops out. So you can just do this, because you're going to put that light in the new one. Let's just leave this hanging there. And then we're going to get rid of this. Alright, so now this screw has to come out. Alright, so now these screws are kind of hidden. You kind of just want to push down on this chrome, and it should give you access to the screw. Alright, so now you just really only have the top bolts because you're getting rid of that complete whole mount.
Make sure you put that bottom screw in so it doesn't shake.
So now you kind of got to find the way it goes in, which is kind of annoying.
Okay. Oh. Nice.
Now this is the final product. I'll turn on the lights so you can see how this looks like. Are they on?
No. No, actually these ones are not on. Other side's on, yeah. This side's not.
Maybe the light bulb burned.
Oh, it did burn.
Yeah. Well, this is what it looks like on the other side.
That would have been yellow. I would leave it like that.
I would leave it with nothing, to be honest. I don't like the fact that it's two different shades, two different colors.
We got a new car to the channel. Sal bought a car. Maybe we'll do a video on that soon. It's a surprise. If you can guess what it is, we'll send you something for free.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. If you can guess the car, maybe we'll give them a hint. Let's see, what kind of hint can I give you guys? It is
German.
Yeah, I guess it's German.
That's the best I could give you.
Anyways, thanks for liking and subscribing. See if you can guess that car. If you can guess what the new car is, we'll send you something for free. See you guys in the next video.